Here we have a 67 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. They include the M Sport Plus package. We do have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, the adaptive LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills. We have the gloss black front splitter, part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom. We do also have the second alloy wheel, as you can see again unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the wind deflectors and also the black roof rails up top, the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. Round to the rear, you find we have the rear parking sensors, which has a visual display inside. We do also have the rear diffuser and the twin pipe exhaust. If you press the button on the remote, then you find that the tailgate will open just like so. Inside of here, you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We've got the partial shelf, of course, just up there, a 12-volt connectivity as well on the left-hand side. If you come back up here, you find we have a button, so if you just press that button, then the boot will close again like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Take a look now at the interior. So inside of here you find we have the leather interior, we have the black leather, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. Apologies about the sun. We've got the vents down there for the rear passengers and the electric windows on the doors. Again, at the front we have the same leather interior. There's a look at them front seats. As you can see, very comfortable seats. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the electric mirrors and electric windows, tri-lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side. Taking the seat inside, you find we have the dashboard just here in front of us. So put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do also have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. We've got the shortcuts just down here, so if you click onto the media, you find we have the radio station, along with all these other options for the media, such as the Bluetooth audio and the USB. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we also have the different drive modes as well. So with the Eco Pro drive mode, we have the Comfort drive mode, Sport, and the Sport Plus. We also have the Sport displays just there, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Further down from there, you find we have the climate control, heated seat buttons on either side, and also the ice cold air conditioning, all working as they should do, as you can see. Further down from there again, you find we have the automatic gearbox, the drive mode buttons. Put the car into reverse, you find we have the rear parking sensors appear on the screen. We do also have the cup holders just inside of there. Again, you've got the shortcuts for the screen, manual handbrake, and a nice leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.